Mini bike shenanigans, baby.
Mini bike shenanigans.
I'm gonna die!
Gotta do the quick intro, you know, for the viewers. Oh, yeah. What's up, guys? It's Rod. We have our guest star, Matt Boyd, here. And today we are doing pit bike races because Matt was dumb and went and bought his own pit bike. But mine's better, so it's okay. That's not even a proper wheelie, mate. No.
Don't even worry.
You gotta, it's gotta be like mine where it just fucking slips out from under you and you conk your head.
That's all right. Buddy, I told you, but
you trying to race?
No, dude, mine will lose.
I know, but like it'll be funny to see the difference.
You see, you want to race around because you can't stop on yours. There's
no. Just in a straight line.
No.
I just want to see the difference.
Your acceleration is so much faster.
I know. I just don't you want to see the difference?
No, I already know the difference by hopping on.
I know, but we got to get it on video for the viewers.
Fine.
All right.
Just get up to speed with it. All right, hold on. All right. Ready? 1, 2. Get the fuck out of here! Wait, it
actually,
should have
do
more?
it down this street over there because it goes all the way to 171st. So
oh,
we'll have
yeah.
a half mile.
Yeah.
Trying to do that young half mile?
Yeah. Go! Run! When I pass you, you go! Go! Record this? Rod's pulled like at least 3 times. Check this out. You ready? Yeah, and then
I'll wait for you to. You should be at your top speed by like the second side street over there, right?
yeah. This works. Hold on. Let me make sure this works.
It should work.
All right, you're in frame. Buddy just yeeted that chain right off. Holy crap. Go! I got it!
GoPro?
All right, go. That was actually sick. I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty cool.
get my own parking spot.
Hold on, gotta get the squat.
Part of the Mickey D's. Hold on. I gotta get next to you too. Oh,
Dude,
fuck.
that was fun. I'm not gonna lie, that was sick. All right.